This tutorial is going to focus on how to export your concept map in Bubble as a JPEG so you can use it as for your students. You can post it online. Maybe, again, like I said, it's something that you just want to print and give to them. So very simply, select all, come here to the download arrow, select save as JPEG image, and that will automatically download into your downloads on your computer. If you click on that in your browser, it will open up. Here it is. If you are unable to do it that way, another option is going to your Finder, Downloads, and you can find the item where it is, date modified. You can see structure 2. Here it is. I open it up and it's right there for you. So just a couple different ways in which you can download this as a JPEG. Real simple and easy for you. This is a quick tutorial. That way you don't have to watch the whole video to get to where you want to learn how to download and export your semantic map.